There's like a mudslide and everything's gone. The houses are gone. Hey, what?
Is there any injuries?
Oh, there's a police. No, there's a freaking mudslide. I mean, all I see is dirt now. We watched hundreds of trees come falling.
Okay, is there any...
And it's no longer...
Are there any injuries?
Yes, there's people yelling for help.
My neighbor's house and their neighbor's house has been completely taken out. And it's collapsed on several of them, and they're trapped.
You know that they're inside the home still?
Yes, I'm standing at the location right now, and I can hear them tapping underneath.
Okay.
And yelling at us.
So hey guys, welcome to this episode. It's Memorial Day here in the US, and Memorial Day is a holiday originally created to remember America's fallen veterans throughout the wars in our history, to allow us Americans to enjoy the freedoms that we have. Today my hat's off to those guys. But it's also about remembering other fallen. It's called Memorial Day, right? Today, we remember Oso. The small community of Stillhead Haven used to lie in the scenic valley right here just south of the Stillaguamish River. Peaceful, quiet, and serene, but nothing would prepare them for what would happen on May 22nd, 2014. And in researching this episode, I wasn't prepared either. I'll let the video speak for itself.
They stated they smelled natural gas in the area, hearing someone yell for help. Steve, all units are out to 29425, SR 530 Northeast, TAC 7. 530 clear. 530 highway is totally blocked as far as I can see. Receive, G37 is West Command. I'm taking one firefighter with me, and we're going to try to walk in and locate, we've got a possible victim out in the slide. 29520, I got 3 victims up here trapped. AD has been advised for helicopters, I've been advised for staffing and the helicopters. You have hovercraft 94 en route with the Swiftwater team. You also have Skagit, Red 7, and 2 agents in the Darrington side. We have 2 victims we're unable to get to. Neither one of those appear to be injured. We have 1 patient that we cannot get to right now that is yelling for help, seriously injured. We're going to need more manpower. 1 patient, I need Swiftwater gear out here. I get his Swiftwater gear out. If I have a partner, I can get to the patient that's seriously injured. He basically has 1 arm amputated at the present time.
We can see across by Steelhead Drive, and the entire road has been washed out. There's multiple houses down there at this time that are washed out.
Be advised at my vantage point up here at the end of Whitman, the river is completely blocked. We have homeowners trapped in a house, and I don't know how long this blockage is going to hold. There's potentially 40 to 60 people living in that area of Steelhead Drive. I also have another problem, and that's Seattle City Light's main transmission towers have been compromised.
We have 1 red patient. 1 patient will be ready for airlift transport in approximately 5 to 10 minutes.
Copy. We have 1 black, 1 red. Receive. Are those the only 2 patients you have at your location? At this point current, I'm told they're next door. There's also 2 more black. What we need, if any techs at all, we're now at the patient with Jan, Shayla, and myself. We're going to need some manpower to get him out of this mess. We had to cross approximately 200 yards of debris to get to him. I'm going to need help to get him out. He is seriously injured.
43 trees have been planted here at this memorial, each marking one of the slide victims, each decorated by friends and family with items of personal interest to each person. So I hope you've been able to appreciate this episode. Now, I created it with the sole purpose of giving tribute to some local people in my home state that lives were changed or even lost in an instant by a tragedy. This video does contain some images and some audio that I've gained from third-party sources, and I will do my absolute best to give credit where that credit is due, down in the description. This video is not monetized. Any ads you might see have been added by third parties for their own particular reasons. So the message here is, life is short, life is precious, life is weird, and the people that you're blessed enough to have in your life are precious. They're weird, and time with them is short. And you never know when it can change. And even though they might drive you crazy, your husband, your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your kids, they might drive you nuts sometime, but when you really break it down at night and you know that you couldn't possibly live without them, make sure not a day goes by where you don't let them know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Peace, love, and we'll see you soon.